Yes, hello and welcome to another video from Benna Rider. Today I want to show you how to set the clock on the CB500X. Some people might have a problem, when it's switching from summer to winter time and vice versa. And then they, especially in their cars, they have no idea how to switch it back or forth. And on the CB500X, it's not very difficult. So I'm going to show this to you. So what we have to do in order to change the time is we just select both of these buttons here, the select and set button. We press them simultaneously for a few seconds. Let's see. Until the display or this starts flashing. So you can change the time from 24-hour to 12-hour format. You select the next setting if you select set, and then you go into the time already. Then you can change the hours with the select button, and you go to the minutes and you can select it. You switch to the set button, and then you go to the minutes, and then you can select them, change them with the select button. So that's very easy how to get in, and that's it. And you can also go through the other settings here. You can also change the if it should reset the automatic reset when you're getting gas, it will change that. You can change it to on or off. The general as well, and you can change it to miles, kilometers, and the fuel consumption, change the measurement units for this. So that's about it. Once again, you press these two buttons here for 1 second or 2 seconds. Then the clock starts flashing, the 24-hour. You can change it to 24-hour. To continue, you press the set button. You go into the time. You can change this now if you press the select button, and you go to the minutes if you press the set button, and you go through this circle to the menu until you're finished. And then you have set your clock, either 1 hour ahead or 1 hour earlier than this. So that's very simple and easy to understand how to set the time on the CB500X. Thanks very much for watching. This is Benna Rider. Take care. Bye bye.